Students, welcome in our English composition lecture. Today we are going to learn about report writing. Many events and occasions take place around us. They are celebrated with a lot of fanfare and enthusiasm. Many people attend these events and enjoy the ceremonies that take place. However, some people are unable to attend them. To make sure everyone once gets to know what happened at the event, a report of the event is written. A report is a written account of an event that has already occurred. This account has all the details of event. It has all the important information like who the chief guest was or what was the reason behind holding this particular event. It also mentions the time, place, date and the day of event. People read a report to find out exactly what happened at the event. Now, let's see how to write a report. Report writing has a format that needs to be followed. Report writing format is first of all heading means the title, then by line, third is the place, month and date, then introduction means in that introduction you should mention that why, when, what and where, then account of event in the detail and last conclusion. So now in order to understand these better, let's take an example. Means here I gave you one example of report to promote healthy eating habits amongst school children. Your school recently organized a nutritious food and snacks competition. So the competition was open to both parents and students. The participation was very encouraging. The famous nutrition expert Dr. Shikha Sharma was the chief guest as Anjum, the student editor of your school magazine, write a report about this event in 100 words. So we will take that example. Here first should be there. First comes the heading of the event on the top of the report called the headline. According to our example, this will be nutritious food and snacks competition. The headline of your report should precisely state the cause that the report is about. Below the title will be your byline. This will have the name of the reporter as given in the question. Means here upside in the bold letters they given the title of that news and who is written that news, which is circled by the red pen. You can see that by the Paul Gasly's News Press Fagot. Then keep in mind to not put any personal details anywhere in your report. Below the byline, on the left hand side, comes the place, month and date of the report. Remember that it is the date of the report and not the event. The body of the report has the main content of a report. Let's see what is included in the body. So, the body is always written in the paragraphs. The first paragraph will have all the details about the event and its structure. It will answer questions about the venue, time, date, and place of event. The second paragraph will give in-depth information about the event. It will mention important factors like who was the chief guest, what did they say, how many people attended the event. The last paragraph will sum up the event and provide a conclusion by telling us how the event ended. Now, here is one example how that report writing should be. First para is about the introduction. While writing a factual description, it is better to have it spelled in 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph should have introduction of the topic. Then in the second paragraph should describe in details the title in hand. This is the paragraph which generally has the most number of words in it. Make sure you do not shoot up the word limit here. Add any additional information you would like to share in the third paragraph. Keep this concise. In the third paragraph, additional information. The final paragraph, fourth, should have the conclusion of factual descriptions to the prescribed word limit to avoid the penalties of examination. Then fourth paragraph will be about the conclusion. Now other things to keep in mind that always use the past tense when writing a report as the event has already taken place. So there the reports don't have to follow a chronological order as long as everything that happened is mentioned. Make sure to use language that is suitable with your target audience. The name and the designation of the reporter will be provided in the byline after the report title. So, here is an example of a good report from the newspaper. Let's students, we will revise those points once again. A report is a detailed write-up of an event that has already occurred. It describes everything that happened and provides details. After that comes the byline, introduction, body, and conclusion in that order. The name and the designation of the reporter must be written in the byline of the report. It is always written in the past tense. Now let's go write that report. So I hope students you enjoyed that report writing very well.